So guys, in the last class we have covered up to question number 11 from the chapter sets. Okay, now we will continue with the same. Okay, so now these questions are almost similar. Now let's solve the question number 13. Now, what is there over here in the question number 13? First, let's solve it. Now in a group of 59 people, some are wearing hats and then gloves or scarves or a combination of this. 4 are wearing all three, 7 are wearing just a hat and gloves, 3 are wearing just gloves and scarf, and 9 are wearing just hat and scarf. The number of wearing only a hat or only a gloves is x, and the number of wearing only a scarf or none of the three item is x minus 8. X minus 2. Find x and hence find the number of people wearing a hat. Fine. So now what they have given in a group of 59 people. So there are in total 59 peoples. Okay. That is your universal set has 59 peoples. And suppose these are the people who are wearing hats. These are the people who are wearing gloves. And these are the people who are wearing scarves. Okay. Some are wearing hats, gloves or scarves or a combination of this. 4 are wearing all three. So that means this is 4. 7 are wearing just hat and gloves. Hat and gloves. 3 are wearing just gloves and scarf. How many? 3 are wearing just gloves and scarf. 9 are wearing 9 are wearing just hat and scarf. Fine. The number of wearing only hat. The number of wearing only hat or only gloves is x. And the number wearing only scarf or none of the three item is x minus 2. Wait. And the number wearing only a scarf or none of the three item, only scarf or none of the three item.
So x minus 2 will be on the outer side also, right?
No, wait, I'm thinking on it. And the number of wearing only a scarf or none of the three item is x minus 2. That means this is also x and this is also x minus 2 and this is also x minus 2. Fine? The number of wearing only a scarf or none of the three item. None of the three item means the none of them is x minus 2. Find x and hence find the number of people wearing a hat. Now over here x plus 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus x minus 2
Plus x minus
plus
2.
x minus 2 will be equal to 59. Right? So how many x are there? 2, 3, 4. So 4x plus 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 23 minus 2, minus 2, that is minus 2 again. This and this done equals 59. Right? So 4x plus 23 minus 4. 23 minus 4 is 19 equals 59. So 4x equals 59 minus 19. 9 cancel, then 40. Then x equals 10. Got it? The value of x is 10. Find x
So
and
G is also 10, right? For gloves.
for what? The number of people who are wearing only gloves are 10. Okay. Find x and hence find the number of people who are wearing hat. So the number of people who are wearing hat is x plus 7 plus 4 plus 9. X is 10. The number of people who are wearing 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 a hat. Wearing a hat. If it is given only hat, then it is x. If it is saying that it is a hat, that means that will be equal to 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus x, and the value of x is 10. So 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 10. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20 and 20 plus 10 is 30. So there are 30 people who are wearing hat. Clear? The same kind of question we have solved in the last class also. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, no? Okay. Fine. Now let's go to the next question. In a street of 150 houses, three different newspaper are there, T, G, and M. Of this, 40 receive T. It is the same kind of, you have to make three circles, make some X, and then add all of them should be equal to the number of universal set. Fine. Now let's go to the further questions.
So wait, in the note they have written something. If seven receives TNG, this information does not mean seven receives TNG. What
Wait,
does
wait,
that mean?
wait. If 7 receive T and G, this information does not mean 7 receive T and G only. Yeah, means it is not given. See, whenever it is written only, at that time you will have to take in the circle. Means only separately circle. See, I'll show you. See over here. Four are wearing, three are just wearing just gloves and scarf. Right? So we are writing three over here. Now in this question, fine, chalo, we'll solve this question. If you want, I'll solve. 14th question. There is some note given, no, in this question. Let's solve. Again, the same kind of, let's draw the rectangle that is a universal set. Then you will have to draw three circles inside it. Fine. So what is given over here? In a street of 150 houses, three different newspapers are delivered. There are three different newspapers. One is T, another is G, and another is M. Of this, 40 receive T, 35 receive G, and 60 receive M. Now over here they have given 40 receive T. That means the total count is 40. It is not T only, they have not written. Okay. So the whole is 40. That means there are 40 over here. 35 receive G, and M is received 60 receive M. 7 receive T and G. This in this Now this question has to be solved by that method which I have told you last time. Over here what you will do, you will write the values like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Right? Now it will be very easy to solve, because otherwise it will be very difficult to solve this question. Fine. Now what is given? Of this 40 receive T. That means A plus B plus D plus E. A plus B plus D plus E equals 40. Okay. 35 receive G. That means B plus C plus E plus F equals 35. And 60 receive M. That means D plus E plus F plus G equals 60. Fine. After this, what we have, 7 receive T and G. 7 receive T and G. T and G, what is there? B plus E. Right? 7 receive T and G. 10 receive G and M. 10 receive G and M. G and M, what is there? E plus F. Then 14 receive T and M. T and M, what is there? D plus E. Fine. Then 34 receive no paper at all. Acha, there is outside something. G and H is
Sir,
also there. E, F, G, H. H is there outside. Okay. 34 receive no paper at all. That means H equals 34. And
So where is H given?
see, H is not given. H receive no paper at all. Means there are people who are not receiving any paper of this 150 houses. So that means H is 34. That H is outside, no? Which they do not receive any kind of newspaper. Getting it?
sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Shouldn't D plus E equal to 10, 4 and not 14? I
Wait.
think.
D plus E. That is T and M. T and M. It's acha 4 receive T and M. Yeah. 4. Yeah. D plus E will be equal to 4, not 14. Yeah. I thought it's 14. 4 receive T and M. 34 receive no paper at all. That is, there is H outside which does not receive any paper. How many receive? All three. That means how many receive all three? That means E is the question. E is the question. And that's it. How many receive? All three. That's the only thing which you have. Now we know that in total there are 150 peoples. Yes or no? So that means, so from the question, what we have, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H should be equal to how many? 150, right? Now A plus B plus, now A plus D plus E. I need to find what is the value of E, no? So A plus D plus E, A plus B plus D plus E, and D plus E, E plus F, everything else is there. Fine. Okay. We need to find what is the value of E in this. Okay. Um, yeah, let's, now in all of them E is there. E is there, E is given in all of them. Okay. Fine. A plus B plus D plus E and B plus C plus E plus F equals 35. So what we can do, mm, H is 34.
This is a bit confusing.
Yes, yes, it is.
So
Since this is the
subtract
last sum, no?
34 from 150. Then you'll find the number of papers in all three circles, and then you can simplify further so you can find E that way.
Acha, 150 minus 34. That is also fine. Means if I write H equals 34, I'll get all the number of peoples who are, means A plus C plus, I will get only this, no? But I need the value of E from it.
Yeah, sir. Then after that, you'll find A, then G, then C, then B, then D, then F, and then you'll find E, right?
Yeah, yeah, obviously. But for that, the problem is A plus B plus D plus E is given. Now over here also E is included, over here also, over here also. Everywhere E is included. That's the main problem to solve. Wait, we'll solve it, no problem. Okay. Now over here, we have this. So A plus B plus D plus E. A plus B plus D plus E equals 40. So I have written 40. Fine. For this all. Now, uh, okay. This I have written. Now again B plus C plus E plus F.
Sir,
Again B
wait,
is
one
there.
idea.
Yeah, what?
Sir, you rename E as X, and then for B, you would write X plus 7.
Yeah,
And then
that's what I'm
for,
doing. That's what I'm doing. See over here.
oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now B plus E equals 7, but B is already taken. I need something which is related to C. So C is there over here. But C and B is again is there. F is also there. Fine. So if I take C, C is done. B is an extra, so I'll write B again. And F is there. F is taken. And E is an extra, so we'll write E again. And that is equals to 35. Getting it or not getting it?
Sir, I
I
didn't
didn't
get
get it.
this.
Yeah?
Sir, I think ma'am showed an easier way to do this. I don't remember clearly.
No, no, no. Not for this sum. This is the last sum, no? This is kind of different. T and G only. That 7 receive T and G. This information does not mean 7 receive T and G only. We have to solve in this way only. There is no, I don't think so. There is any other method to solve.
Sir, I don't understand. Yes.
Yeah, you did not understand. Uh,
No.
See, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. I'll write the value of H from here. 34
Sir, just 1 second.
equals
Can you go
150.
back to the problem?
Yeah, okay, fine. Now plus 34 equals 150. So what I can write, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G equals 150 minus 34. That is 120 and then 116. Fine, I have this. Now what all things I have from here? A, B, D and E. A, B, D and E. If I eliminate them, I can write 40 plus C plus F plus G equals 116. So if I take this 40 on this side, C plus F plus G equals 116 minus 40. C plus F plus G equals 116 minus 40. That gives you how much?
Sir, but why have you not taken CF and G?
I'll tell you. See, only C is not given, no? C plus G is given and D plus E is given. E is there, but E is not there over here, no? E is already taken. Are you getting it? Now what I will do,
Then, sir, only B is also not given.
well, what? What only B?
Where is only A and B given?
See, I have taken A, B, D and E. See over here, this one. I've taken this and instead of that I've written 40 and rest of them I've written it the same way. Getting it? And then after that
And
I've
where
taken
did you get 116 from?
this 150 minus 34. This 34 goes on that side.
Okay.
Yeah. So now what I have is C plus F plus G is 76. Now again F plus G I have over here. F plus G equals 60 plus D plus E. See, from this if I write it over here, see, my this D plus E plus F plus G equals 60. So F plus G will be equal to how much? 60 plus 60 minus D minus E. Yes or no? So C plus F plus G can be written as 60 minus D minus E equals 76. So C minus D minus E will be equal to 76 minus 60. So C minus D minus E will be equal to 76 minus 60, that is 60. Right? Now after that, if I write C minus over here and this will be D plus E will be equal to 16. Now anything related to this I have? Related to C I have over here B plus E plus F I have. D plus E I have. See over here, I have D plus E equals 4. Yeah? So I can write D plus E equals 4. So C minus 4 equals 16. So C equals minus 4 plus over here. So that gives you 20. So I got the value of C from this. Okay. Now if I have the value of C, I can get what is B plus E plus F from this. If I take this value, right? So B plus E plus F plus 20 will be equal to 35 and B plus E plus F will be equal to 35 minus 20, that gives you 15. Right? C can be used anywhere else. I can use C only over here. B plus E plus F. But E plus F equals 10. Are you getting it? E plus F equals 10. I have this. So what I can write? B plus 10 equals 15. So B equals 5. Got the value of B also? Yeah. Now let's use this value of B somewhere else. Over here. B plus E equals 7. Right? Over here I have B plus E equals 7. So let's use this. Right? Put the value of B in this. 5 plus E equals 7. So E equals 2. This is what we are supposed to find. E is 2. What we are supposed to find. How many receive all 3? How many receive all 3? That is the value of E, and that the answer of E is 2. So the answer of this question is also 2. There are 2 people who receive all the newspaper. Got it? There is no other way to solve this question. This is the only method to solve. This is quite.
2 minutes.
No, sir. Our ma'am had solved from a different method.
Can you
I
tell me
have
that
the working
method?
with me.
You
How
have the
can I
working?
tell you now? Yeah.
You have the working. Can you show on your camera?
So can you see?
Wait, just a moment. Just a moment. Wait, wait. Hold it properly. Ah, that is the same method. This is also the same method. Yeah. Acha, this is also the same kind of. See, what they have written is
Oh, it's
7
not
minus 6.
same. How is it same?
Yeah, it's
It
not
is
same.
it is same only. Fine, I'll explain this also. If you want, I'll explain you this. See what they have taken. Over here, suppose this is T, this is G, and this is M. Okay. In total, there are 150. Okay. Three different newspapers are delivered, T, G, and M. Of this, 40 received T. 40 is received by T. 35 received G. And 60 receive M. Okay. 7 receive T and G. Now, in this T and G, there are 7. If I say this is X, then this will be 7 minus X. Yeah. And 10 receive G and M. In G and M, there are 10. So this will be 10 minus X. And 14 receive T and M. So this will be 14 minus X. Fine.
4.
And 34 receive no paper at all.
4 minus X.
Yeah, what happened? Well,
For T and M, it's 4 minus X.
acha, sorry. Again, I have taken 14. It is, oh wait. It is 4 minus X. Okay. And this is 34 receive no paper at all. That is outside there are 34. And how many receive? All 3. Now you just solve this. You'll get the same thing. So again, 40 plus 7 minus X plus X plus 35 plus 10 minus X plus 4 minus X plus 60 and plus 34 equals 150. Now if you solve, you'll get again the value of X as 2 only. See, I'll solve. This minus 6 plus 6
What
can be
will we
cancelled.
get the value of X as?
What? You'll get the value of X as
Sir,
2.
I think you can't take the whole as 40 because there is already separated now.
No,
So
it is whole
40
40.
can't be.
There are
Yeah, but
40. No, that is there. That is included. This whole has 40, no?
Yes.
Acha, wait. This whole has 40. Yeah, right. Wait. So this whole has 40. So this will be 40 minus this, minus this, minus this. That will be over here. Right?
Yeah.
And 60 minus these 3, then 35 minus.
Yeah. So over here, what you will get is over here for this only T. For only T, what you will do? 40 minus 7 minus X plus 4 minus X. So you have to solve this. That is 40 minus X plus X will get cancelled. 7 plus 4 is 11 minus X. So that is 40 minus 11. That is 30, 29 plus X. So this will be 29 plus X. Fine. Similarly, you have to do it over here also. Only G. So for only G, what you will do? 35 minus X plus 7 minus X plus 10 minus X. This plus X minus X will get cancelled. This will be equal to 35 minus 7 plus 10, that is 17 minus X. 35 minus 17 plus X. 35 minus 17, 15 minus 7 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1, 18 plus X. So this will be 18 plus X. Fine. And again for only M, it will be 60 minus 4 minus X plus X plus 10 minus X. Okay, that gives you 60 minus this minus X plus X would get cancelled. 14 minus X. So that gives you 60 minus 14 plus X. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 46 plus X. So this will be 46 plus X. Now if you add all of them, plus 34 should give you 150. Okay. So now what I'll let me
Sir,
pause.
can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Sir, your method is just similar to this, but you
Yeah.
had taken multiple variables and in this
Yes,
only
yes.
one variable.
Yeah, only one variable. The both are same only. They both are
Yeah.
means just different variables. That's it.
Yeah, but
But
yours
I
is a
feel
bit lengthier.
maybe you are thinking like that, but I say that that method is more easy because in this you will get a confusion over here. Maybe it's your wish. I feel that that method is more easy.
Sir, can you go a little bit up?
What? Bit up.
I want to see only him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Sir, so from here, how would you get the answer?
Yeah, that's what I'm solving, no? Now add all of
So,
them plus 34 should be giving you 150. That is 29 plus x plus 7 minus x plus 4 minus x plus 18 plus x plus 10 minus x plus 46 plus x should plus 34 should give you 150. Written all of them 29 plus x, 7 minus x, 4 minus x, wait 29 plus x, 7 minus x, 4 minus x, 18 plus x, 10 minus x, 46 plus x, and then 34 gives you 150. Fine. This minus x plus x will get cancelled. This minus x plus x will get cancelled. Is there any x left? Yeah. This minus x plus x will get cancelled. So this will be 29 plus x plus 7 plus 4 plus 18 plus 10 plus 46 plus 34 should give you 150. Fine. Now add all of them. X plus 29, 7 plus 4 is 11, 29 plus 11, 18 plus 10, 28 plus 46 plus 34, that is 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 4, 8. It should be equal to 150. Fine. X plus 29 plus 11, that is 39, 40. Then 28 plus 80, that is 108, should give you 150. So x plus 148 should be equal to 150. X will equal to 150 minus 148, and x will be equal to 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Understood, no? See, both are quite complex only. Both are, this method will also will have some working. And this method
Oh,
also
so the
has
end
working.
result is we were supposed to find x only, the value of
Yeah,
x.
yeah, but that is x only. But over here, the confusion is not there. It's your wish. I feel that this method is more easy. If you think that this method is more easy, you can go with it. No problem. Now this was done. This was quite tricky. It was good that we have attempted it. Now the next sum. Now the next sums are like you have to write the statements in it. Okay. Now what is given? If S is a Serbian man and G is a good footballer, express the following statement in words. Right? Express the following in words. Now see what is given. G is a subset of S. G is a subset of S. That means what does this state? How do we write the statement of this? All good
Good
football,
footballers belong to.
not belong to. All
Then
good footballers.
Are
This is not the
Serbian.
sign of belongs. It is a subset. All good footballers are what?
Serbian.
Serbian men.
Serbian.
so what does this mean without equal to this sign?
Means subset only. Subset
No, no, no. In other words,
means contained
is
in.
part of, right?
Is contained in.
Okay.
Yeah. Next. Next is G intersection S is an empty set. That means there is nothing in common between G and S. Then what will be the answer for this? How do you write? None of the good footballers are Serbian men. You can say.
Or we can write some good footballers are Serbian.
No, some
Only for
how
the
you can
first
write.
part.
How you can write
For
some?
the
There
first
there
part.
no. There are nothing is common, no? G intersection S is an empty set. So there is nothing in common.
Okay.
So none of the
No, so
good
for
footballers are
example,
yeah.
If this would not be there, the second part, how would you tell this in other words? Only the first part.
Only the first part. That will not
Huh.
form a statement. Then there will
Oh,
be no statement on it.
Sir,
That, yeah,
for B1, can we say no Serbian men are are good
yeah,
footballers?
yeah, you can say. See, there will be different
No,
kind
but
of statement you can make. Different type of one statement can be framed in a different way, no? So you can frame, but the meaning should
no,
not
all are
change.
correct. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, the meaning should not change. There should be nothing in common between good footballers and Serbian men. Now over here in the third one, they have said that it is not an empty set. That means there are something which are in common. It is not equal to an empty set. That means some Serbian men are good footballers. You can also say some good footballers are Serbian men. You can say either way, both are right. Got it?
some good footballers are Serbian men, right?
Serbian men. Or you can also
So
write,
then why did you say it won't form a sentence before when I asked?
you said that this will not be given then.
Huh.
Yeah, only
So
this,
that is
only,
forming the same thing as the C1.
see, wait, I'll tell you. See, only this and this will not make any statement. There should be something in equal or something subsets that should be there. Are you getting it? See over here
Yeah.
that it is given that it is not equal to an empty set. Fine.
Hmm.
Now what is given? Given that your universal set is a student in your school, in a school. B stands for boys. H stands for hockey players. F stands for football players. And express the following in words. F is a subset of B. That means all football players are boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, for this I can say all football players are boys. Next, all hockey players are not boys. For this, since it is a B complement, all hockey players are not boys. You can also say all hockey players are girls. Yeah, both ways will work. F intersection H is not equal to an empty set. Over here, some football players are also playing hockey because it is not an empty set. Over here, it is an empty set. That means there are no boys who are playing hockey. No boys will play hockey. So over here, B intersection H is an empty set. That means no boys are playing hockey. No boys are hockey players, right? Or you can say hockey players are not boys. You can say either way. Okay, next question. 16th is done. Now let's move to the next.
So could you write that one? D1?
Which one? For this, you want me to
So
write?
D1?
For this
Yes.
one? Okay, fine. The answers are given in your set, but I'm just explaining. See, for this, what you will write? All football players.
No, no, not for all. I
Then
mean
for
for
which one?
just D.
For just D. That is B intersection
Hmm.
H is equal to an empty set, right? So that means all boys means none of the boys are playing hockey. None of the boys, none of the boys are hockey players. Or you can also
Yeah,
say
and for
ho
B, hockey players.
hockey players are not boys. That's it. This can also be done. Or you can also say hockey players are girls. That will also do, but that will be even more. This much is sufficient. Hockey players are not boys, or none of the boys are hockey players. Or you can also write hockey players are girls, or girls are playing hockey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And for like B1, how do you identify these?
For B, H is a subset of B complement, no. So hockey players, all hockey players are not boys. Since H is a subset of B
Okay.
complement, right? So all hockey players are not boys because B complement you're saying. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now again, this all are almost same. Express in words. S union F union T. What is S? Spider, animal that fly, animal which taste nice. The universal set belong means all spiders. Wait, how do you express this?
Uh, sir,
Ah,
All spiders are animals that fly.
no, 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 no,
Are
no, 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 no,
animal.
no, 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 no. What we can say, all living creatures are spiders or animals that are fly or animals which taste nice. We can write or for union, and we will write and for intersection. See, we'll write for this we write or, and for this we write and. For intersection we write and for union we write or. So what we can write for this? All living creatures are either speeders or either spiders or animals that fly or animals which taste nice.
Yeah.
Fine?
sir,
Yeah.
16th E and F are left, and even 17th ABC.
Acha, ENF express in set notation. Okay, okay, okay. No boys play football. Means no boys are playing football. This is boys and football are this. So that is B intersection F is an empty set. That's it. Got it? Because nothing in common between the football players and the boys. No boys play football. That is B intersection F will be an empty set. All students play either football or hockey. All students. That means,
H union F.
yeah, H
Union
union,
F equal to
no, not
universal set.
equal to. It will be subset of, subset of universal set. Because all students play either football or hockey. Getting it?
So equal to sir, equal to is also fine, right?
Yeah, equals to is also fine, right?
Wait. All students
Because
play
all
either
students.
football or
Because all
hockey.
students.
All students, no? Yeah, that will also do. Equal to. That will also do. Okay, equal is also fine. H union F is equals to universal set. Fine. That's done. Okay. Now, what is this? If this is given, express in words. Some spiders can fly. Some spiders can fly. That means S intersection F is not an empty set. Fine. Getting it, no? So
Yes.
similarly the other questions are fine. Let's,
Sir, this is very weird. Will they ask this as an exam?
yeah,
I mean, have they asked like previously?
yeah, they have asked.
I
They
know,
have
okay,
asked.
so that's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. No spiders taste nice. That means spider and T does not has anything in common. That is S intersection T will be an empty set. All animals that fly taste nice. That means F is a subset of all animals that fly taste nice.
Animal which tastes nice are
Subset
spiders.
of T. T.
F is a subset of animals that fly, no?
T.
Yeah, animals which taste nice, yeah. All animals that fly taste nice. Got it? F is a subset of T. Fine. Now let's solve the 16th one, 18th one, last. No, this is not the last. There are few more questions, I think. Wait, let me see. Yeah, only the 19th one is left. Now over here, this universal set represents the tiger. T, tiger who like lions. X, tiger who like elephants and tiger in hospital. T is a subset of X. Tiger who like lions. All tiger who like lions are tiger who like elephants. Got it? For the first one, T is a subset of X. What we will write? All tigers who like lions likes elephant, right? Likes elephant also. Next, T union X is equals to H.
Uh,
Yeah.
so you have written all tigers who likes lion,
Who
likes.
like lions likes elephant also. Who like
Oh, okay.
lions,
Sorry, I missed. Yeah, I now understand.
yeah, the all tigers who like lions likes elephant also. See, the sentence framing can be done in a different way also. Framing of sentence will be as per you.
Yes.
Yeah, there will be some grammatical difference. Okay. Next, T union X is equals to H. T is tiger who like lions and X is tiger in hospital. No, no, no. Tiger who like elephant is equals to tiger in hospital. All tigers who like lions and elephants are in hospital. Right? All tigers who like lions or elephant are in hospital. Now H intersection X is an empty set. Tigers in hospital and tigers who like elephant. No tiger is in hospital who like elephant. Or you can write no tiger likes elephant who are in hospital. Getting it? No? I'm not writing the statement. Yeah?
Got it.
Next. Some tigers like both lions and elephant. Some tigers like both lions and elephant. That means for lions and elephant, that is T intersection X is not an empty set. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah? So that's it. We are done with this chapter. Anyone has any other doubt? Wait, let me check. Yeah, all the sums have been completed. Yeah,
So
we are
19th you are not doing, right?
19th. Where is 19th? 19th is not there in the book. Yeah, 19th is there. We have not done. Yeah, we'll do. We'll do the 19th also. No teachers. What is this? Teachers called Peter. And what does this be? Good bridge players. No good bridge player is a Peter. Or none of the Peter is a good bridge player. P union B union W. All school teachers are either teachers who called Peter or good bridge players or woman teachers. What's the doubt? You can ask. What's your doubt?
I'm getting confused with the signs. I mean, where to put to when.
See, for union, you have to use or, and for intersection, you have to use and. Means for union, there will be either or, and for intersection, there will be and will be there. See, all P
And
intersection
what
B is
about the other sign?
the other sign. See, this is an empty set. This is an empty set. That means nothing will be in common. Means if it is equal to empty set, nothing will be in common. If it is not equal to empty set, there will be something in common. Something in common.
Okay.
Something in common. And if it is equal to an empty set, if it is equal to an empty set, then nothing is common. Nothing is common. Got it? Means the intersection of. If the intersection of two things is equal to an empty set, then nothing is common. Yeah, so if nothing is common, so you have to express the words in that way. Fine. So guys, we are done with the
Okay.
chapter that is sets. In the next class, we'll
Yes.
be starting with which chapter? With which chapter we are going to start?
Vectors.
Yeah, we'll be starting
The
with vectors.